Hey foodies, welcome to Origin Store. Today we're diving into Amazon kitchen must-haves to help you cook like a pro in 2025. These under $30 tools will save time, boost flavor, and make meal prep a breeze. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get cooking. Links are in the description. These are the top kitchen must-haves trending on Amazon, perfect for beginners and pros alike. Cooking can be a chore without the right tools, right? These Amazon finds all under $30 have thousands of reviews and make prep, cooking, and cleanup easier. Let's whip up some magic with the top 5. Starting with the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper. This bestseller chops, dices, and stores veggies in one go. Perfect for soups or salads. With 4 blades and a finger guard, it's safe and easy, all for $25. A time saver for any cook. Grab it on Amazon, link below. Next, the Kitchi Pizza Cutter Wheel. This sharp, ergonomic tool slices pizza or dough effortlessly and comes with a blade cover for safety. At just $10, it's a must for pizza nights. Check the description link.
As fast as the other stones and produces the perfect crispiness to your crust than when cooking without one. It's not only scratch resistant and non-stick, but it's super easy to clean and can be used in both your oven and your grill. And this pizza spatula and cutter will cut through all your toppings and the crust in one single cut. Then just turn the cutter on its side and serve up your slice with ease. If you enjoyed these, don't forget to follow for more daily finds.
I've struggled with dull pizza cutters before, but this pizza cutter wheel is amazing. It's super comfortable in your hand and comes with a built-in safeguard. It cuts through pizza smoothly, and I love that it comes apart easily and is completely dishwasher safe. Just remember to handle the blade carefully. It's not only good for pizzas either. I use it for slicing herbs, breads, and even my quesadillas. Putting it back together is super simple. The safeguard prevents accidents when reaching in, and it doesn't take up a lot of space in my drawer, which is an added bonus.
Number 3. Super Cubes Freezer Tray. Freeze soups, sauces, or portions in 1-cup molds. Perfect for meal prep. Made of silicone, it's $18 and dishwasher safe. Shop it on Amazon.
Or something like lasagna or shepherd's pie. This was kind of the hack, the aha moment that I had when I first encountered Super Cubes, was the ability to make basically my own frozen TV dinners. And I think one of those recipes should definitely be the first thing you freeze. If you have the 1-cup size, I think this is arguably the most versatile size that Super Cubes makes. You can freeze pretty much anything in this size, but for your first freeze, I would go with your favorite soup recipe, chili recipe, or some kind of cooked protein in a sauce that you're going to serve with a starch like rice, pasta, or potatoes. My go-tos are butter chicken and bulgogi as 2 of the proteins I usually freeze in this size. The 1/2-cup size is the perfect size for freezing ingredients or meal components. It's perfect for when you can't finish a jar of pasta sauce before it goes bad, for freezing smaller portions of things like beans, grains like quinoa, and things for salads. It's just really versatile, and you can always use more than 1/2 cup portion when you go to defrost. The 2-tablespoon tray is perfect for using up all those things you can't finish right away, like a jar of pesto or a can of tomato paste. You can also freeze minced garlic, minced ginger, or I love freezing sofrito.
Second spot, the KitchenAid Classic Can Opener. This hands-free tool opens cans with ease and doubles as a bottle opener, all for $12. A kitchen essential. Get via the link below.
Blade exposed type can opener. So you can definitely pick up a little bit more expensive enclosed type can openers, but I like the classic one just because I think it's easier to maintain. It's easy to see if there's something wrong with it. But of course, as with any exposed blades, definitely be aware of your fingers and be careful around young children. The first thing you notice about this particular can opener is how big it is. It is 8.34 inches long, and they specifically state that on the product listing. So this is on the little bit on the bigger side, but what I do like about it is the nice big handles and big turn knob. Those 2 features combined make it
Topping the list, the OXO Good Grips Silicone Steamer. This collapsible steamer fits most pots, steams veggies perfectly, and stores flat for $15. A healthy cooking must-have. Shop it on Amazon.
I don't have time to chop veggies. Instead, I use this time-saving kitchen hero to make meal prep quick and easy. The Full Star Veggie Chopper has 85,000 five-star reviews on Amazon, so you know it's good. It comes with easy, interchangeable attachments, so you can get your potatoes, onions, peppers, and carrots all sliced and diced to perfection.
Which gadget are you adding to your kitchen? Tell me in the comments. I'd love your cooking tips too. Don't forget the affiliate links below to support the channel. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more kitchen hacks. Thanks for watching, chefs. Want more kitchen ideas or recipes? Check our playlist here. Follow us on Instagram for daily tips. And shop these must-haves with the links below. See you next time.